Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be exploring how to do problems that are 0 divided by a number. Let's start by looking at this problem. 0 divided by 3 is equal to what? Let's approach this problem by going back to the first method that we learned for division problems, which is to draw shapes out and then group them into groups of 3 in this case. Our first step is to draw 0 balls. And since we can't draw 0 balls, that means we don't draw anything. How do we put nothing into groups of 3? That's right, we can't, because there's no groups at all. There's nothing to put into groups. So when we try to count up how many groups we have, we see that we have 0 groups. This means that 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. This is the case for 0 divided by any number. You can replace 3 with any number you want and you'll still get the same answer. Because in the end, 0 divided by 450 is still the same thing. If you start out with nothing, you can't put nothing into groups of any number, any amount. I can't put nothing into groups of 3, and I can't put nothing into groups of 450. So the answer to these kinds of division problems that start with a 0 is always going to be 0. So this will be useful in the future when you're faced with problems that require you to divide 0 by a number, and it's a simple rule of thumb that always equals 0. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.